guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am unboxing my design team kit from Cheaply Chic, the latest one that is called Plant Kindness. It is an absolutely beautiful kit is what I can tell so far. I have watched her video when she showed everything, so I'm really excited to open up this and see what there is, and I'm super excited to get started working on it. So this is just a beautiful botanical themed journal, floral themed, and with lots of pinks, and I absolutely love that. And she wrote a beautiful letter on this side talking about planting kindness, and so I absolutely love her little letters. And then this was an extra, I think, a pink envelope with this vintage flower image. Looks like may have been like, I'm not sure, like a label, I think. Probably seed label, not sure. But that is super pretty. And then she has it beautifully wrapped in pink tissue with this really pretty washi tape. So pretty. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Love the paper. I think this was Maggie Holmes, she said. And it's really pretty orange seam binding. And then she made a really pretty, sorry, that was my husband sneezing in the other room. Okay, she made a really pretty ruffle with some green fabric, and then she added this really pretty trim that's like a burlap color and green. And she wrapped it around there, added a doily piece up there, and then some flowers in at the top there. What? Are you gonna help? You gonna tell everybody? Okay. And then it always comes with blank pages. This has some gorgeous floral paper in it this time, and some really, I love that pink pink grid paper. And she has tea stained or coffee stained paper in here, ledger paper, her signature heart dyed paper. I've been wanting to try that. I actually found some heart-shaped little tins that I can do that with, so I want to do that soon. This really pretty glassine bag there. A botanical book page. And then the other sides to all those pages. So they come plain so that you can do the decorating. So that is the journal that comes with it. And then I'll move that on over here. And then the ephemera pack that comes with it. It's loaded with all kinds of goodies. And she usually includes the same sort of items. There's always a packet of fibers and yarns and ribbons. This time it looks like a bunch of yarns and strings that go along with the collection. So pretty. And then she always includes some sort of paper clips, different sizes. This time they're gold. And get it off here, and I can show you all the fibers. So this is just a little glassine bag with a couple gold paper clips, and then in this bag is all the fibers, and it always matches perfectly with the paper and all the things included in there. So really gorgeous. I love that. This time she included items to make a little charm dangle with some beads and a heart-shaped rhinestone charm in there. And then like all the little pieces, like the bead, I don't know what those are called. There's a bulb safety pin in there, the straight pins, I guess that's what you call them, and then all the little clamps and things, and a binder clip so that you can hang it on the side. So that'll be fun to make a little charm. She included this really cute tulip pin to do journaling inside the book, so that's cute. Here is the bookmark that she always puts in every one. They're like little beads at the ends, and she uses the wax thread, so you can put this down the center of your book, kind of like this. So I love that. So it goes in there, and they dangle out the top and the bottom, and they just look really cute. All right, this little section here, there is this really cute postcard of a flowering cactus, and then a little doily, and she has the perfect color of green glassine bag to match everything, and it's holding a bunch of items here. There is a piece of a flower card, I think a little section of one, and then she stamped a flower onto a craft tag, and then there are inventory tags, a plain craft tag, a pink guest check, a flash card. Oh, these are cute, these little rose tags, those are really cute. And then this tiny little disc envelope, those are super adorable. A seed packet of little scarlet flowers. This tiny little coin envelope. A library card pocket and a card. And this really pretty, oh, this is like a share the memory card. That's so pretty. I love that. So it'll be a great little journaling card to insert into the journal. And the next little bundle here is another glassine bag, and then she clipped on a vintage rose playing card. So that's really pretty. And then inside here are all the tiny little tags. And then she also does some punches of like scraps of paper and includes those in there too, different shapes. So there's some little white sales tags, some more price tags but blue. Here are the punches. So there's the little fancy squares and hearts, and then banner pieces. That's all with the scrap of paper. And then here are some canning jar tags. Those are really cute. And then this is like a claim check, another style claim check, and then some plain white tickets. So those are all the goodies in that bag. And then there are some vellum stickers. These are so pretty, and she put them into this beautiful cellophane floral bag. Really pretty. But these are just some different kinds of stickers, different, like a lily. This has roses and daisies. This, I think, are petunias, and mums maybe? I'm not sure. I'm not really a horticulturist. I just dabble in trying to grow things that usually take forever and then never come to fruition. Sometimes, well, we've had a couple tomatoes this year, but yeah. Okay, so here is a tag made with the scrap of paper. And then here is this really beautiful napkin. It has flowers and butterflies. And then a beautiful purple envelope that has flowers on the inside and one on the back. That is so pretty. And then a matching stationery to go with it. I came from the generation of pen pals where you actually, I bought stationery all the time that had the matching envelopes and the paper. I would write letters. I had maybe 50 pen pals at one time. This was when I was in elementary school. So leave a comment down below if you're from that generation that actually people wrote letters to people. And then here are some squares of different scrapbook papers. Some beautiful tissue paper here. This is kind of like the kind you wrap up cookies or whatever. A waxed kind of paper. Here is a sheet of labels. Those are great for doing altering and things like that on them. Is it a heart? Let's stick that in there. And then we are into the large paper items. So there is this weekly time record. This was in the last kit, and I think that was really cool. I don't know where she gets all these things, but, and then here's a mileage and expense log. This looks like it's a card from a gardening book. This is cool. A flower page book, or flower book page. There we go. That's cool. Here is a crossword puzzle book page. It has some flowers along the top. And then here is a vintage book page from a gardening book, it looks like. At least on this side it has gardening on it. So that's pretty cool. Here is another gardening like binder page. This is cool. This looks like an Edith Holden page, book page. I love these. I have yet to find a book, an Edith Holden book. And then here's another gardening book page. This looks like a journal page from a gardening book. I guess you can plan out your garden on the grid and then like write things or like your list or whatever on that side. So that's cool. And then here is a piece of vintage wallpaper. So pretty. Love that. Alrighty. So that is everything in this kit. I love this. I can't wait to get started in this. If you would like to check Lynette's channel out and her Etsy shop, I will have the links down below for you. And you can come back to my channel because I will be doing a couple projects in here. If you haven't seen one of Lynette's recent videos, she made a master board. So I am going to attempt to do that. I've never made a master board. I actually didn't even know it was such a thing until Lynette's video. So I really enjoyed what she did, and I'm excited to see what she actually makes with the master board. But if you'd like to see me make one, attempt to make one anyway, I will, that will be my next video using the items in this kit. So that'll be really fun. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.